RCAS is the Railway Challenge at Sheffield team, and we are a group of undergraduate engineers from across the Faculty of Engineering. So we have mechanical engineers, aerospace engineers and electrical engineers. We build and design our own miniature locomotive in our spare time and then compete against other universities in a series of challenges. I decided to join the RCAS team so that I could put into practice some of the skills and theory we learn in lectures, and also it's a great opportunity to network with other engineers like our sponsors and other members of the team and gain a lot of connections.
I'm the electronics and control team leader here at RCAS, and I'm responsible for ensuring that the wiring is correct as well as the control systems of the train and the software.
So I joined Railway Challenge because I wanted an opportunity to apply what I'd learnt in lectures to a real-world problem. I also wanted to gain hands-on designing and manufacturing skills.
At university you get to learn about a lot of things in theory, but you don't often get the chance to see an idea through from its original concept all the way through to building it and testing it in person. And so it's a really good opportunity to get some practical work done.
It's been a great experience, a good chance to learn some more practical skills and meet some like-minded engineers. And I was promoted to be the mechanical systems sub-team leader during my third year on the team, and this year the team principal, which has given me a great experience, lots of project management and teamwork skills.
So I've made some of my closest friends and housemates through Railway Challenge. I've also been able to speak to our alumni and representatives of our sponsors and get recommendations for things like all the way from module choices to ideas about what to do in my career.
I've really enjoyed the sort of creative freedom you get working at RCAS. You get to practice all the skills that you've learnt about, but you also have the opportunity to work towards a slightly less specific brief at the beginning of the competition. So when you're coming up with ideas and new ideas, you get to have a lot more opportunities to try new interesting ideas or go with designs that maybe haven't been tried before and see why they might be better or worse than you thought they were.
I think my favourite part of Railway Challenge is definitely the competition weekend. So we spend 4 days at a miniature railway in Leicestershire where we compete our train against other trains, and it's just really nice having that weekend to sort of show to everyone else at the IMechE and the other teams what it is that we've spent our entire year working towards, and it's just really satisfying seeing the train pootling along and competing in all the challenges. And also, as well as the sort of the actual challenge side of things, it's also kind of like a 4-day camping holiday with the rest of the team, so you get to spend the days working on the train, and then in the evenings we'll often have a barbecue and play things like cricket, and it's just a really nice experience.
Being in RCAS has definitely helped me, particularly with all the teamwork skills that I've gained. It's really helpful when applying for jobs, and also specifically taking on leadership positions within the team. You definitely improve your project management, which you don't necessarily get as much of a chance to do on the degree itself.
It's really helped me work out how to manage my time and how to work with others to get large projects done, and developing things like the control system for the train here is a really good opportunity to practice things that we've learnt about in the classroom.
The team is both interdisciplinary over the Faculty of Engineering, and also you work with people in different years to you. So previously, if I've been finding a particular module difficult, I've just spoken to someone who did that same module who's a couple of years above me, and they've been able to talk me through the issues with it, so that's been really beneficial. I've actually managed to get a graduate job in the rail industry, which I'm really excited about. So in every interview that I've had, I've mentioned Railway Challenge, and the interviewers have always responded really well to it. Often most of the interview discussion has been about my contributions to Railway Challenge and what I've learnt from it. Employers tend to really like Railway Challenge and knowing that the person that they're employing has been able to take part in a student-led activity.